Good morning, students. Today we are going to study English grammar chapter number 6, comparison of adjectives. About adjectives we have already read in chapter number 5. Now in chapter number 6 we are going to study comparison, means compare adjectives. We have to compare between two or more persons or things. Just as we know, any main verb has 5 forms. Example: go, went, gone, going, goes. In the same way, adjectives has 3 forms. Its name is positive, comparative, superlative. First form positive, second form comparative, third form superlative. Example: good, positive, better, comparative, best, superlative. Tall, positive, taller, comparative, tallest, superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. It is so easy to learn all the 3 forms of adjectives. Learning 3 forms of adjectives is so easy because we add er. We add er in the comparative, er, and est in the superlative. In comparative we add er, and superlative we add est. But when in smaller words, but when the word is bigger, we add more in comparative and most in superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. In smaller words we add er, est, and in bigger words we add more in comparative and most in superlative. Beautiful is bigger word, intelligent is big word, small word er, est, big words more, most. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. In small words we add er, est, and in big words we add more or most. Now compare. In positive we compare, positive form of adjective, we compare between 2 person or thing, or no compare, both possible. Compare between 2 person or thing, and also no compare. In comparative always compare between 2 person or thing, and in superlative more than 2 person or things. Compare between more than 2 persons or things. Now I give you the example. Ram is a good boy. Ram is as good as Shyam. Ram is better than Shyam. Ram is the best boy. Best boy in the class. Now see the example. Good. Good is positive form. Already I told you, in positive form compare between 2 or no compare. Ram is a good boy. Positive but no compare, no comparison. Ram is as good as Shyam. Good, positive, but compare between 2 person, Ram, Shyam. So in positive compare possible and also not possible between 2 person thing. Comparative, Ram is better. Comparative is better. Good, positive, comparative, better. In comparative, always two. Always between two person thing. Ram is better than Syam. Two persons, Ram, Syam, compare between two persons. So in comparative, always between two persons or thing, compare is done. And in superlative, comparison between more than two. Comparison is between more than two persons things. Example, best. Best is superlative. Ram is the best boy in the class. In class there are more than two students. So compare between all the students and Ram. So here comparative used. Clear? When comparison between one thing you must remember. After comparative degree always than comes. Remember the rule. Remember the rule, comparative plus than. And after before superlative, the always comes. The plus superlative. Rule is the plus superlative. And also the rule is comparative plus than. And also the rule is as positive degree as positive as means after and before of positive as used, as good as, after and before positive as used, after comparative than used, and before superlative the used. Now in sentence we are going to study how to compare between two or more persons or things. Now the sentence is now we have to change positive into comparative and the meaning will be same. Meaning will be same. Example. Interchange of positive and comparative. Positive will be changed into comparative and comparative will be changed into positive, but meaning will be same. Example. Ram is as strong as Syam. Strong, it is positive, after and before positive as used, it is positive. We have to change it into comparative, means we have to use a stronger and meaning will be same. The rule is that subject object, first word becomes last and last word becomes first. Subject object changed. First thing, positive sentence become negative. The rule is that subject and object are interchanged. Subject become object and object becomes subject. And then positive and negative sentences are interchanged. positive become negative sentence and negative become positive sentence. Two things we have to remember. Subject object interchanged. This is positive sentence, it will become negative. Example, how to change the Syam. Syam is, we have to change into comparative, so write comparative word, not strong, stronger. Syam is stronger. We know after comparative than definitely comes stronger than Ram. So students, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss again.